Parameterized tests allow developers to run the same test over and over again using different values. There are two ways to set these parameters. One way is by using testng.xml and second one is by using data provider. Now we see passing parameters with testng.xml file. With this technique, we could define the parameters in the testng.xml file and then reference those parameters in the source files. Now I create a Java test class, say parameterized_test.java. I add a test method parameterized_test in the test class. This method takes a string as input parameter. I add an annotation at parameters of value browser to this method. The parameters would be passed a value from testng.xml, which we will see in the next step. Import the package at parameters, which is related to testng. Now I write a if condition. It's a basic Java if condition, where I take browser.equals. If it is equals to Firefox, I will run Firefox driver. If it is equals to the Chrome, I will run the Chrome driver. But here I am not using any Selenium WebDriver interface related methods. Simply I am printing the value system.out.println, open Firefox browser in first if condition, and in the else if condition I print a value, open Chrome driver. If the browser value is equals to Firefox, it will display open Firefox as I mentioned earlier. Now go to the testng.xml file. Here I already took the class as package.classname software testing material depends on methods test case. So I am changing the class name as parameterized test. Here I am taking a parameter tag with the name browser and the value is equals to Firefox, which means from the testng.xml file I am passing the value of browser as Firefox. If I execute the testng.xml file now, the output will be from the first condition, which means from the if condition, which is equals to browser. So the output will be open Firefox driver. Let's see by executing the testng.xml. Yeah, in the output console we can see open Firefox driver. Now let me change the parameter value in the testng.xml as Chrome, whereas earlier we have given as Firefox and the output is open Firefox driver. Now let me execute the testng.xml file. Yeah, you can see the output in the output console as open Chrome driver, which is just because we passed the value from the testng.xml as Chrome. In the next video we see how to do parameterization by using data provider.